Monday we'll start practical. Monday we will start practical. Am I clear, guys? So today you have a buffer of 2 days, and let's talk all those things, and we continue one by one today's session. All right. So few question. Let me. Do we have a class tomorrow? No, Lavanya. The reason why we don't have class tomorrow, I'll tell you. So the next class is on Monday because few new students are joining. So few students are traveling. They're coming to Hyderabad to join the sessions through offline. So that's why we just give. Sir, I have 4-year experience in soft testing. Can I? Yes, absolutely. Yes. All the questions, everyone's questions, I'll take at the end of the session. All right, team. So everyone's question I will take at the end of the session. Today, I will take more time on question and answers. Today, I will take more time on question and answers. All right, guys. So let's have, so it's today about installations I have completed already. Can I drop? No. Yeah, your wish, man, Srikanth, your wish. Okay, if you have office work, yeah, you can go back and attend anything the session is going on live. You can listen it again. All right. Okay, that's fine. Just go ahead and understand. In first day, what are the topic I covered? Let me tell you. We covered about Naresh IT, about placement drive, my self introductions with experience, teaching experience, introductions to my LinkedIn ID, and request everybody to join WhatsApp community, because in the community on regular basis we post recordings and the class notes, all those things, guys. All right. And about course durations and time, prerequisite to learn this course, what exactly things to required to learn this course, and I shared course syllabus, guys. So today you already scanned this, right, everybody? So once you scan, my team will post the course syllabus on the community. You go home and download and read it. Any question? Classes will be in Amirpet, not KPHB. Okay, Ibrahim? Classes. So online team, any question? Please write down. I'll read your questions and I will answer. All right, throughout the session, throughout the 3 to 4 months, no problem. And the next one, okay. So every day I'm maintaining the technical discussion points. Do you want me to maintain or not required? Yes, it is required, guys, because every day, what are the topics we covered? It's easy. And I shared course syllabus and discuss what topics we need to cover and who can learn this course. And I answered some students' query and answers on day 1. Are you guys clear? The first time the students who joined, these are the topics I covered on a day 1. In day 2, little, okay, what is arithmetic operators? Anybody? What is arithmetic operator? Anyone? Additions, plus, minus, multiplication, subtractions. This is all arithmetic operator. 5 plus 6. What is operand? 5 and 6. What is operator? Plus. We done it yesterday. Right, guys? Next one. So here, in technically, text we called as string. String ends with single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. So which error we come across yesterday? Syntactical error, which is syntax error. Okay, online team, can you hear me? Okay. Yes, syntax error. What is meant by syntax error? The error made by me, it is called syntax error. Let's say if you miss comma, the error happened because of me, because of you. That error is called syntactical error or syntax error. Guys, are you able to understand what's meant by syntax error? Next one. Yeah, anything grammatical. Yep. Sir, if I attend offline class, then I face an issue regarding timing. Any other I can attend online class? Select only one. No, you can see. If you are a college student, you attend offline. You have exam in coming up in next month. You need to go write exam or not? Inform me and go. You getting my point? Just come back and told me, sir, this week I have exam, Ibrahim, and I'll give you allow so you can go and write exam and come back again. Are you guys clear or not? So you have two options, hybrid options. But now BTech guys are very liar. Even though you don't have exam, sir, tomorrow's exam I'll go. What you do, man? Are you guys understand or not? So I hope you can do this. So clear? Okay. What is meant by structured data? What is meant by structured data? Online team. What is meant by structured data? The data which stored in table format. Very good, Ganesh. Very good. Excel. What is table? In table, we have rows and columns, isn't it? In table, we have rows and columns. It's a structured or not? So structured data handled by SQL DB, structured database. What is unstructured data? Images, audio, text, Netflix movie. You watch movies or not? It's unstructured data, guys. This is called unstructured data. Okay, so those called unstructured data. So what is some of the popular SQL databases, guys? SQLite, MySQL, Postgres, Oracle, etc. What is NoSQL databases? MongoDB, Apache HBase, Cassandra, and all those things, right? So yesterday we introduced to basic Python. Have you started working on Google Colab? Have you explored? Anybody explored? Just raise your hands. How many of them done? One, two. It's easy or not? Easy. Very good. What is Google Colab? I already told you yesterday. Very simple. You can go back to here and try this. Google.com and Google Colab, and right click, open link in new tab. It's easy. Yes, new notebook. And then just go back. It will take some time. Okay. Just do this. Define wish. Okay. Maybe I need to write big code. Just welcome. Error or output? Error or output this one? Error. Why error? Any codes are missing here. Just go back and check. So it'll take some time to print output. Do you see the beautiful part of the Google Colab is I'm saying explain error. You heard about ChatGPT, Gemini AI, Llama 3, Meta models. We have all the models. If you're a layman, no knowledge about code, do you see? Explain error. Name welcome is not defined. I got my solution or not? Do you see this, guys? It's clearly given here. Explain an error. Have you heard about GitHub Copilot? Anyone know what's meant by GitHub Copilot? Okay, so if you know, that's okay. So welcome it is not defined. Now what I try to do now, I'm going to copy this now and I'll apply here. Just execute. Cool. Now, do you see this, guys? That means a code also give you solution. Understand? So that's the Copilot. In 5 years, 10 years back, let me tell you, when I was work in previous 17 years back, we don't have all these facilities. Understand? For one development, we done 6 years, but now things is easy. You have GPT, you have Google Colab, you have all the new advanced things, guys. So anybody become a programmer. Understand, team? All right. Next one. So this is all a string, and string. Any specific reason we install Anaconda? We have Colab. Srikant, very good question. So Anaconda, see, Anaconda Python. Yesterday, which software we installed, guys? I think you didn't listen the classes yesterday. Just go to Google and you type Anaconda Python. Do you see this, guys? If you read this, Anaconda is a distributions of the Python programming for scientific computing. It mainly distributions for data science, guys. Understand what is the main? Especially for data science applications for big data, we have Anaconda Python. Understand? If you need to learn only Python, then PyCharm is okay. PyCharm is okay for you. But if you need to write a big data or machine learning projects along with data analysis required, and AI projects and data analysis projects, which we're going to build, we required Anaconda Python. Are you guys clear? Online team, offline team, are you able to understand or not? Got it? Okay, good. So today I want to explain, I left with few slides. Let me finish them. And we already completed 2 days, guys. In 2 days, you understand me. Who am I? How am I teaching? And any questions, every 4 months, I'll help you. After that, also, you can come back and talk to me. No need to worry. So you have a connections. You know what is meant by connections? The connection is always be lifetime. All right. And also, you have to do hard work, guys. So Monday onwards, I'll start coding completely. Monday, I want everyone to bring your laptop in the class. We'll start code. I will type, you will type with me. Deal is okay? Online team, offline team. 5:30 p.m. batch. Okay. So the student who raised your hands, Lavanya, I will talk to you at the end. So there was an error, notebook loading error. Ritu, ensure that the file is accessible and try again. But can you please introduce Power BI and Tableau? Thank you. Santosh, why I have a plan. Power BI Tableau is easy, man. Okay. See, this is introductions at last. So what is Power BI? If you go back to Power BI, as you ask, just go to Power BI desktop. This is Power BI and this is Tableau. So do you know Microsoft Office? We have Word document, we have PowerPoint, same way you have Power BI as well. The thing is you haven't explored it. In Power BI is easy. You can go to blank report. In this blank report, you can import data from Excel. Okay. Just do you see get data, guys? Power BI software installed. Once you install the software, get data. From the get data, I'll click it. Which file you need to get the data from Excel, connect. Okay. And order. I'll open one file order. Just it's connecting. And just go back to click the file order and load. Do you see? Now let me wait. The data is loading over here and we need to wait for some time. Santosh, you need only Power BI Tableau? You don't want to learn Python SQL? No, answer me. Just go back and do you see the files are loaded here or not? So in this one, I try to make one graph, which is pie chart. So I'll click this pie chart here. Do you see pie chart come up here or not? In this pie chart, you go back to this, we have legend. In the legend, what is meant by legend? I will tell you later. So legend, I want to make a category and value. I want to know the, let's talk about, you take any profit. Let's take a profit. Okay, value profit. And do you see this, guys? We got it or not? Fractions of a second, we got a, which graph this is? This is pie chart. This is, if you, I will tell you later how I increase the font and all those things. This is later. There's a lot of things. In simple way, you drag it or drop it or not. No, you don't want to do it. Control G, Control G, Control G. See, man, in productions, I'll talk to you. Wait. Just Control G, Control G, Control G, gone again. You need another chart, let's say. You need to like line chart. So little go back to the line chart. See, Power BI is easy. Let me tell you, Tableau is easy. Main problem of the students are you guys addicted to easy. That's why your salary will less. Hello guys, are you listening me what I'm speaking? People are addicted to easy. That's why you never get job. To be honest, you never try to do such a new concepts. I know what market is right now. If you learn only Power BI, you never get job. To be honest, you need to learn Power BI along with, if I give you only rice, will you eat? You need rice with chicken curry or veg curry or not? So the same way you need Power BI along with SQL, along with Python, guys. Let me tell you, there's a two thing. For data analytics, Python is mandatory. Are you clear? For business analytics, Python is not mandatory much. SQL is mandatory. If I add Python along with the Tableau plus Power BI, then the business is more stronger. If you connect SQL with Power BI plus Tableau plus good communication skill, commanding skill on terms of leaders, in terms of clients, then you got your business analyst role. No, no projects runs without business, guys. You understand? So entire business is stored in the form of attributes. What is meant by attributes? Columns. In Excel sheets, we have rows and columns or not? Non-technically, we called as columns. Technically, we called as attributes, features, variables. When I talk to my some of the client, I never say columns. I'll talk attributes. See the sound. The sound is very powerful or not? This is the way you need to talk. You guys understand? This is what you need to speak in interviews, guys. You have to talk technical English, not a normal English. Guys, are you getting my point? So this is all those things. So I'll tell you a lot of things, but at this moment, let me try to explain. Yesterday, I was talk about a roadmap for this course, how the sessions goes on. First, we'll start with the basic Python. Now, if you say, sir, I want to go for business analytics, I don't want to go for Python. What? Okay, it's up to you. But my question, if you need extra knowledge, what else? You'd be more, your salaries increase or not? Guys, understand or not? End of the story to get a job. End of the story, money speaks in the world, isn't it? You or not, we don't speak, guys. Money speaks in the world, directly or indirectly. Am I correct or not? So now here, first, NumPy, Pandas. I will introduce these libraries. Then we go for SQL. What is DDL command? What is DML command? Okay, statistics, Power BI, Tableau, Excel, and all those things, guys. Then why I'm saying Tableau, Power BI last, if you know SQL, then only you can establish a connection to Tableau, guys. Team, are you understand? So what happened once you understand SQL, then only you can establish a connection to Tableau. Then you can establish a connections to Power BI, isn't it? So this is all a roadmap to cover this one. Okay. So what is hard then? Nothing is hard. Your mindset, if you talk to the mindset, it is hard, it is hard. Ganesh, are you understand? Man, you have a lot of career gap. You need to know all those things. You shouldn't ask this. Understand? See guys, I'm straightforward. Okay. So I'll explain all those things in depth and easy way. No need to be worried. So next part is, are you guys covered this? Next one, I was talk about these industry never die. Do you think gaming industry will die? No. Football? No. Agricultural? Never. Public sector? IT sector? These are business or not? Every industry use Excel sheet or not? Excel sheet comes from database or not? So database, you need to know it or not? Exactly. So databases must required. Next, what is meant by BFSI domain, live project, capstone projects? Very powerful topic I want to introduce. What is meant by BFSI? B for banking, F for finance, S for service sector, I for insurance sector, guys. So these sector AI already integrated. These sector business intelligence and data analyst people are already worked. I will try to some of the projects. I will tell you how to create a GitHub account. When you work, when you mention your resume, you must show a GitHub profile in your resume, guys. GitHub, LinkedIn, Kaggle, all those things must required. I will tell you how to create this. But before that, I want to show you this now. The first thing is go for this now. This is, course syllabus, live projects. What is meant by projects? We will work in our session. Data analyst project. Sales trend analysis. We try to find out pattern for historical data descriptions. Analyze historical sales data to identify trends, seasonality, anomalies. Use visualizations tools to create dashboard that helps stakeholders understand sales performance, leading to better inventory for market decisions, guys. Do you understand what is the project? Sales trend analysis. Now you guys tell me, do you think sales is a live projects or not a live projects? Every company required sales or not? Let's say your dad has a business, sales required or not? Walmart, sales required or not? Zero. Every product sales is required. So you mention, you pick one client, you do one project, apply in your resume, just try to mention a technical terms, get interview, crack it, guys. Understand what is projects, guys? Sales trend analysis. Next one, customer segmentations. Can you tell me which business or which domain customer not required? Experienced people, I'm asking you. Okay. Do you find any business live projects? These are always live. Live means what? No death. Sales has never death, guys. Customer. Customers will keep increase. Customer segmentations using cluster analysis. Said the, hey man, wait. The moment when I show Sir share, I'll share all those things. Just calm down. Okay. See, I'll just give you the sample projects. In the demo, I will share to my students who trust my classes and come back. Everyone I'll share. Right, guys? If I share now, it will be public, isn't it? So the next one, yes, guys. What's your name? I hope understand. Sai Charan. Okay. Predictive analytics for sales forecasting. Now, stock market. Do you know, you heard some of the stocks like bank stocks? People, when you open a YouTube, everybody, Tom, Dick, Harry become a, they will explain YouTubes, try to invest in the stocks. You try to build a predictive analysis for sales forecasting by time series approach. What is meant by time series? Time series algorithms. In time series, we have a concepts of AR model, MA model, ARMA model, ARIMA model, SARIMAX, and ARIMAX. You never heard about these concepts before. So when you mention these concepts in your resume, then only you get call, guys. By complete your college, you never get interview call. You understand what I'm speaking? What is meant by AR? Auto regression, auto regressive model. Okay. MA model, moving average. Again, I'm saying, if you're coming here for, there is a goal, there is a purpose, then only spend your money and time, or else don't come. And then what is moving average? So what is ARMA? If I combine AR plus MA, then it is a ARMA or not? I'll give you more practical later. ARMA with integrations. We have a lot of topic about this, guys. So these things we will understand. But I want to tell you that most of the people ask, sir, what type of projects you will give? So this is all the projects, guys. Visualize website traffic, insights from Google Analytics data, data quality, ensure accuracy in customer databases. So we'll be sharing. Sure, Mohammed, all the sessions are, you can find in YouTube. When will you start doing these projects? At what phase of training? Very good. So all the projects, first I will explain Python. You know what is variables, you know how to create a loops, you know what is functions, then we'll go and create it. Understand? So without, it will take after 1 month. Within 1 month, first week I'll give you projects, basic concepts. identifiers, all right? And then we understood like bitwise operators, Python operators, assignment operator, and then we try to work with data structure, Python data structures. What is list? What is tuple? So you have to pass a list of customers using Python code or not. You have to store the customer data in list data structure. Are you guys clear now? Srikanth, wait, man. I want to talk to you. 2 days. Yeah. Sure. So the next one, A/B testing for marketing campaign optimization. So what is A/B testing? Let me ask you. In the world, any projects we choose, testing is required or not? Drink water, testing is required. Wearing clothes, testing is required or not? So same way, the data set, the product, the projects has to be tested. In the company, there is no projects is deployed without testing. Online team, please understand, isn't it? So in food, ISO certified, tested or not? In water, ISO, it's a tested. Wearing clothes, it's a tested. Guys, getting my point? So churn predictions, this is all. I just gave you sample data analysis projects, guys. We have many more projects. So you have to know like GitHub. GitHub is one of the very powerful repositories where if you can find out, I can have multiple projects over here. This is my GitHub profile. I will tell you how to create your own profile. In this GitHub profile, I'm just explaining a lot of practicals. In here, I have almost like more than 500 projects for AI, ML, Gemini, and then prompt engineering, GPT, Llama models, and a lot of advanced things we have. So you need to create this. In India, might be not required, but in US, most of people. So in resume, whatever your project mention, that project has to be connected to the GitHub. Guys, are you getting my point? That project has to be connected to the GitHub. So I mean to say, you prepare resume, you say I done sales forecasting. So you GitHub options, you give it. So the technical guy click that GitHub and he will read this. Okay, this is project C done. Guys, are you getting my point? So you have to do all this hard work. So you won't get job just like that, guys. So there's a lot of projects. See, there's projects in NLP, Python. I'll give Python projects and then web scraping. You can also go for web scraping projects for data. See, like netflix.com, it's a website or not? The data comes from website. You need to know how to extract the data. That's a data analytics thinking. Understand? Sir, will you teach Git? Yeah, definitely, Srikanth. I will teach you all those things. That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I will teach you whatever task I'll give you from the first week, next week onwards. Every task has to commit in GitHub. In Facebook, every photo you'll upload in Facebook or not? Today you went to restaurant. You do nicely and upload, isn't it? Same way, in GitHub also, every code you have to commit there. So the GitHub is so big, looks so nice. And the fantastic part is it can track it as well. If you see your profile and if you go back, check this. See, because whenever you used it, see, I mean, to 2022, see, you need to sometime, you're a student, you can do it. So whenever you use, you got a green mark. Whenever you not use, you didn't get a green mark. So people can also identify it. Guys, you getting my point? GitHub not required from last 17 years. GitHub has created from last 5 years. It's so popular. Team, are you understand? So even though if you create 2024, 25, 26, 26, now every time you get this green options or not? And whenever someone view your GitHub, you can tell them to give a star. You tell them to give a star. So star means you get more star, guys. So there's a lot of things you must need to understand this. Online team, am I clear? Online team, are you able to understand, guys? Yes, everybody. This is all technical. You want to switch from non-technical to technical. What is mean by that? That means you have to learn this technical thinking, guys. So that's all about it. Okay. So I hope understand. I explain the projects as well. Next, certifications. Someone asks, sir, what certifications you provide? Today, I want to sum all those things which I haven't explained before. Let's go here and try this now. And from current slide, just try this. Data analytics certifications. We are provide course completion. Google Data Analytics certifications. If you click this link, okay, it's a free one, not paid one. No need to pay. If you click this, they will conduct one test. The test you can take up for 3 to 4 times. First time if you fail, second time you take, you know the answers, guys. You've done many type of. You get a certificate and you take a screenshot. And in resume, mention you are Google Data Analytics certified. Are you guys clear or not? Understand, team? Next, Microsoft certifications. Now, Microsoft company also provide this website. When you click this website, you will take up a test and then you are a Microsoft certified, data analytics certified, IBM data science. So when you click this, this is data analytics also there. Little check this. Then Kaggle, then LinkedIn. Do you see LinkedIn is very hi-fi professionals, guys. So you can go ahead and learn from there and you get certifications. Are you clear? So we have, if you go to Google and check, multiple certified absolutely available in freely, guys. Would you understand, guys? But for me, need to pay for this. No, not required, Ritu. This is no need to pay it. If any paid, just skip it. Let me reach out to me. I'll tell you. Understand, team? No need to pay anything. If you need to pay, then almost like it will be take more money. So not required to pay here. Guys, समझ में आ रहा है? Everybody? అర్థం అవుతుందా? Everyone. Okay, next. So for me, certification is not important. Skill is important. Brain is important. Development is important. Transformation is important. Are you guys clear? So the next step now about job placement. Did I explain about job placement or not? Yesterday, if you scan it, I post some videos. Also, I want my students to be placed, guys. So that's why if I go to desktop, NIT and feedback placed and some of the students offer letter as per year wise, there's a multiple students are placed under my training program like TechM, and then just go to the next one. So we have another one selected, CloudFin, KFinTech, and then NetEdge, Yellow Brick. So this is all my students with the packages. Data analyst in HCL, Chakra Sai Teja 5.5 LPA. Okay, Rohit 4 LPA. Data analyst Sheikh 4 LPA. So definitely they have offered. That's why we print design, guys. We don't do any fake informations. Are you guys understand or not? I have all the students offer letter as well. Okay. As I'm a data scientist, my most students are placed in data scientist because they have high package. If you go for data analyst, then you can Jitesh, data analyst associate, and this is data annotations engineer softwares. And so this is what Rahman, data analyst in TechM, 5 LPA, and all this now Accenture. Now this is what. So I want you to see your face like this. Would you do it? Yes or no? No, I don't trust you. First, you shouldn't speak. Your action should speak. Your offer should speak. You guys getting my point? So this is things I want you. So they're happy. So now this is EPAM, and there's a lot of people, guys. 25 LPA, Umakant data scientist in HCL. experienced employee. Recently, my one of experienced employee into data engineer, which placed in 18 point. All are my students. So I'm proud to say that my students, guys. Yes, data scientists. So this is all those things. So guys, I hope understand. So this is few samples, and also we have a lot of video proof. This is all video proof. Okay, the people are come back and explain that how they struggle journey, and this is all those things we have, team. Are you clear? Everybody clear? So next comes to, just go back to this now, and from current slide I'll come back. Job placement. Are you understand, everyone? Next step, class time duration, course fees. The class timing are Monday to Saturday. Okay, timing 5:30 p.m. to it's a 7 p.m. and 30 minutes I keep a buffer for if student has any question, so I will address your query. I'm sure the amount of thing which I'm explaining slowly and typing, make sure no query should be there. Try to become a self learner. What is meant by self learner? If you have any issue, you need to learn yourself. This would help. I mean to say, sir, you didn't teach me. Man, I will teach you. Right now, I will be there. I can help you. In company, who will help you? Do you know if you ask to your neighbor, he will help you. He will go and tell to manager. This guy don't know. He's keep asking me. The HR is give a letter, warning letter. Understand? It's a corporate politics. So please understand all those things. So I want make my students to become a self learner. When you drive a vehicle, when you fell down, you only wake up or somebody will come. Would you expect it to someone come and help me? No. So guys, are you getting my point? And then second and fourth Saturday, it is a holiday. The course fees 15,000 without recording, with the recording 20,000. If you are non-technical, I would appreciate to take a recording. It's up to you whether you take, whether you not take. It's all up to you guys. Am I clear? And reach out to the admin for these numbers are changed. I will post it and this now. Guys, clear about this? Second week and fourth week Saturday, it's a holiday. First week, third week, we have a class on Saturday. So tomorrow, no class because I'm take one workshop on Sunday. So that's the reason we can next, because anyway, new batch, some people, I just said some people are coming from to attend the offline classes. So this is what, all right. So the next one, okay, offline team. Offline lab, third floor. Students need to carry your own laptop. Physical lab will open from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Physical lab will open from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. So you can, after you just had your lunch and come back and bring your laptop and start work from here, guys. So I want my students to be professionals, act like a professionals. Let me tell you, this is not a colleges. This is not something else. So you been here and try to learn and apply jobs and get offer and go. That's what. Are you clear, team? So next one, offline lab. Everybody clear? Offline team, offline lab, everybody clear? Next, come back to online team. Online lab, we have virtual lab. So these are the students, Gaurav and Chandan. They both will my online mentor. So they are take care of you. Online team, you start working, you got some stuck somewhere, you got some error. So you definitely, they will help you to fix the error. You log into this link and they try to fix the error. Team, are you clear? Okay. I will tell you. I'll tell you about Google Classroom. So, what is Google Classroom? So, Google Classroom means I have to share all everyday notes, guys, documents, codes, projects. How do I share? I will share using this file. Like if you refer to this 5:30 p.m. So, do you see data analytics 5:30 p.m.? So once you enroll to this batch, your name or your Gmail has to mention in this people tab, in students tab. So Monday onwards, I will share all the documents, everything's to the class notes. Monday onwards, we start the program. So please bring your laptop, carry your laptop. We start writing our first work on Python, guys, as we start the course from Python programming language. Excel, you know, guys, Excel, I'll teach you few concepts. Team, you understand how to pivot, how to apply a master table, all those things I'll teach you. Those things we'll do later. First, we understand hard thing. Python is very powerful. You can apply Python developer as well. Okay, so we go ahead and learn with Python. And then we introduce to NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, all the advanced library we have. So guys, are you understand? So in this way, I can post everyday notes like this. Do you see how do I post? So this is the class notes. If you refer to the classwork, do you see 3rd, 4th, 5th, 7th, 9th, 15th, 16th? Every day I post my projects or not? This is the way you will get from me on daily basis. So once you get it, so I assigned some of my students a task. So he mentioned convert raw data to clean data. What is raw data? I'll explain in the classes. See, these students are worked and they write a code and they can show me these are the code I've been completed. And wait, this is PDF. See this, do you see this, guys? There's a code or not? So same way you will work and you will upload your project here, guys. Now my questions to you, do you see none? What is none value? What is none, guys? Missing value. None is missing value. So we have a lot of things I'll explain to you later. So once you enrolled, make sure you need to be log into this portal. Are you clear, guys? Okay. So team, are you understand? What is the next step? So the next step is once you about the Google Classroom slideshow from current slides about every enrolled student must need to get the Google Classroom access to get the regular notes and regular task and class practical projects and mock interview. As I said, next week I'll have a mock interview for everyone. In 2 weeks, whatever topics I covered, I'll take a small test. It does not matter whether you get 0 or you get 110 out of 100. No, 100 out of 100. You never get 110 out of 100. So 100. So here students can share notes, questions, announcement, placement drive, offers, everything we can continue in that. Enrollment process. Any technical questions, feel free to ask me. Any non-technical question, please feel free to ask to the admins. So what I'm trying to say here, if you reach out, can you please take down these numbers, guys? Again, online admin, Mr. Nagababu and Mr. Arif. So the two people are there to take care of you. I think Arif, is this correct number? 9154. Yep. Okay. Why, Srikant, why you give your number, man? Come on. Surprise. Okay. See, Mr. Arifi's admin number, please take down. Mr. Nagababu, this is for online admin number and offline admin. Please take down Mr. Ajay. Okay, I will use this in chat. Let's copy and everyone just go back to this now. Clear? That's okay. So this is 2 days back of video. I'll post it. And also I will explain again. This is the software installations link. I will re-explain again on Monday how to install the software. But in the meantime, you try and do by your own way. If not, Monday I will explain how to install the software and I will cross-check with everyone how to install it, how to not. Are you guys clear? So let me finalize before I talk to you students. So first, we discuss the course duration and time. All right. The course duration is, I will take 4 months and time is 5:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. Clear? And Monday to Saturday, every second and fourth Saturday, it's a week off. because I give more projects, you can also spend time with it. This part is clear. Okay. So the next step is every day join the session with laptop and pen and paper, guys. So 10 times reading equals to once writing. Do you know all the fingers are connected to brain? When you type, the brain is activate. When you write, the brain is activate. You must need to know it. Next one. Are you guys clear or not? And then I post in the Google Classroom. You can download the notes from the Google Classroom. While the session, if you have any question, please raise your hand. I will stop and I will stop my session. I will talk to you. I will cover your answer. Then we can follow that. Online team. Okay, offline team, after the class, you can ask me directly because you. So right now, as the demo is going on, let me finish the topic. I will speak with you, the students who raise your hands. Online team clear? Okay. So next one, technical questions ask me, non-technical questions ask to my admin. All right. So the next step, few things before I talk to the students. Your career is your hand. First thing, job placement. Let's write down any companies. Okay. We conduct a placement drive. So placement drive will give some of the criteria. Okay, we schedule a test before placement drive. You need to clear the test. Understand, guys? Without clear test, we can't take you because we need to know that who is. Every companies do that. And try to participate in hackathon. When do you participate hackathon? Once you get perfect, isn't it? So those things we have. And I always help you because that's my what is my main from this batch minimum. I required at least 8 to 10 offers, guys. This is what my goal. Every batch I have a goal. So minimum 8 to 10 offer. If I get more offer, that's fine, isn't it? So I want to apply job, not complete the course. I want to apply the job after 2 months itself. I will take one-on-one session. I will take one-on-one session. If you have any career gap, I will talk to you personally. Few things I cannot talk in front of everyone. Am I clear, guys? So I already told you the enrollment process and all those things. So laptop, come back to the laptop. If you have any old laptop, please continue that. No need to buy any new laptop. Are you clear? If you have any old laptop, please continue that. If your laptop is slow, then change the RAM to SSD processor RAM. Because in old laptops, they don't have SSD processor. Just change this SSD processor to 512 GB. And to installations of the software, minimum Windows 10 required. Windows operating system 10. If you have Windows 7 and 8, that's okay. But I would request to migrate to 10 or 11. Are you guys clear? If you want to buy a new laptop, so I'll tell you few configurations like go for i5 because it will help for data science application. It is help for AI applications. It is help for data science predictions model, time series, visualizations, Gemini, prompt engineering, LLM model. Because when you buy, let's buy a good one. I could suggest that. And then i5 and minimum 8 GB RAM, I would appreciate. Okay, if you buy. Guys, are you clear? The three things I would appreciate, Intel would be the best new laptop is there. Clear? If you are non-technical, I would highly recommend you to attend the session pro offline mode. Now, if out of the city like Bangalore, Chennai, Pune, Mumbai, Nagpur, Maharashtra, and Odisha, and West Bengal, please attend the session pro online. So offline, online, equal priority. Understand? There is no benefit for offline. There is, everybody is equal. So very simple. Just for 4 months, I would humble request you to, if you decided to enroll, please fix your mindset and attend the sessions, guys. And there's a few do's and don'ts I just saying before I complete this and I talk to the answers. Do's: do not miss any single session. First thing, don't give up and be strong. Trust yourself. Every day, little learning will be tomorrow's success, isn't it? So, what is meant by a river? Little water would make you a river. So, every day, little learning will be tomorrow's success. Consistency learning is key success to reach the goal. Don't stop till you got your dream job. Every day, spend time for practical. And first, try to listen, do practical, then ask question. You can ask questions immediately. So a wise guy first practice, listen, and ask a question. And then concentrate classes when the sessions are going on. If I talk concept algorithms or predictions model, you think about yesterday's cricket match. You are in the class itself and you think about yesterday's biryani. So what happened? Disaster will happen or not? So trust the session and trust yourself. Never give up. So guys, are you understand? So in throughout journey, I'll explain these things. Let me repeat again. The first one, this is course for data analyst and business analyst, or data analytics or business analytics, anything. So about NIT, we in the market since 20 plus year, and we tie up with many placement group. And this is my company. I've been leader architect and worked 17 years, 10 years into teaching with US, UK, and still I'm working with my client. And this session is offline and online. You can catch me on this LinkedIn. And then who can learn this course? Anybody can learn this course. To learn this course, you need to have a dedications and consistency learning and goal, and review the previous classes, planning and patience. Without patience, nothing is impossible in the life. Next, why to choose? Because compared to other program, this has less code. And then every data is increase or not? Internet is increase. So the next step is who are eligible to learn this course. Does not require any background. Everybody who has complete the graduations, BTech and 10th class to learn it for career transitions. Because in the school days, what kind of jobs you can apply? Python developer, BA, data analyst, software, Power BI developer, Tableau developer. These are the topics: Python, EDA, SQL, Stats, Tableau, Excel. This is all the topic covered. And these are the software we install: VS Code, PyCharm, Jupyter, Power BI, Tableau, R, Office, Collab. This is the roadmap. And these companies we've been, data analyst is already implemented and still it's growing. And then here live projects today I explained you, and certifications, job placement, class timing, durations. I hope this things is good enough to understand me and the demo sessions. So the next process, my team will post in the link for enrollment. Enrollment means if you like this, come back and do hard work, and let's get together for next 4 months of journey and get placed, and then share me the offer letter. Am I clear? Everybody? Any questions? Don't worry, ask me. Let me talk to the online team now. If you have any questions, we talk about GitHub, we talk about placement, we talk about drives, we talk about certifications, we talk about career gaps, all those things we have, guys. In every Sunday, I will conduct some workshops. You can attend those workshops, guys. Okay, after the classes as well. All right, guys. So my team will reach out to you. Okay, so you can inform your opinions and then you can get back to the classes. Monday, I want bring everybody to bring your laptop. We start Python program, basic code. You will try to type. Also, once you scan this is what installations link. So whoever completed the installations, good. If not done, please install. If else, Monday I will tell you how to install one more time. Clear? Okay. So next, let me talk. Anyone wants to talk? So when do we have last demo? So you consider today itself last demo. Why you want more demo? What's your name, Sultana? No problem. See, whenever you feel, hi, Divya. So, what would be the major difference between data and business? Okay, very good. Data comes from business. First, business is important. Let's say you want to buy a house, right? You directly buy a house or you check up first all the details, guys. So, when you check all the first, any data comes from a business. Sports business, cricket is a business. The data is bat, ball, field, attributes. This is called data. Understand, Jyoti? In real time, there's a lot of big topic, but at this moment, a business analyst can understand the business. They'll check the history of the business. They check the requirement. They will check if I take the business, how much profit I'll get. All right, how much employee I have. They have capacity planning, we called as. Understand, Jyoti? So does career gap, how many eyes repels the employee as it red flag? Ganesh, if you think if it's red flag, don't come back. And whenever you feel, go back. Guys, I'm telling you very straightforward. I don't want students who not come here for study. Understand? If you need, give your time. I need 4 hours time every day for practicals. Are you guys understand or not? I'm non-technical, but can non attend the offline classes due to office time issue? Divya, if you have office, you can attend online. Whenever you don't have office, you can come back and attend offline. Yes, Divya Prakash Singh. Okay, that's fine. So then no worries. Just follow me what exactly I'm saying. The test and the test based on aptitude, total technical. See, Sayali, it's test based on it's not aptitude at all. Aptitude is for banking, IAS, IPS, okay? And for all this is not a government exam, Sayali. Test is for Python code test, SQL test. Got me? Okay. Saturday I will come. Sure. So next Saturday you come, we can have discuss. So I'll having laptop from Wednesday. It is right for me to get admitted. Yes, yes, definitely. So Ahmad, no problem. So in 2 days, you make the notes, and when comes on laptop on Wednesday, you can start work on it. All right, Ahmad. All right. So any more questions? I will unmute you. So please share the Google Classroom link to join. So right now, I won't share. My team will share. I don't have view access because okay, Sai. I hope understand. There's only class sessions for online member. What is meant by only class, Rahul? I can't understand. Let me unmute you. Yes, Rahul, please go ahead. How may I help you? Only class means I can't understand. Please go ahead.
If you want to discuss any questions or any
Now,
doubts.
right now, you can discuss now. I'll unmute you. Discuss. What questions?
No, not about today's class. I am asking about the regular
Every
classes.
class if you want to discuss. Today you have a session. If you have any questions on practical, discuss tomorrow. Or
Okay.
that's why I give my mentor link. You can ask directly. Okay, Rahul.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you.
Offline, online, everything is clear. We all are transparent. It's not
Okay.
separate thing for offline, separate thing for online. As you're not in Hyderabad, that's why you can attend online. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But in the meantime, at least meet me once in 4 months. Okay, online team, for some guidance on career and all those things.
Right
Thanks,
now
man.
I'm
Yeah.
doing masters. I just finished my masters, so I
Where?
just in US.
US. Which
Yes.
subjects you covered so far?
I just covered Python and
Hmm. What is
database.
lambda function?
Yeah, that's what I didn't know anything because they are
ఏందబ్బా
too fast.
రాహుల్ తెలుగొచ్చా?
Yes, sir.
ఏందబ్బా నువ్వు ఎంత పెట్టావు పేమెంట్? 30 lakhs?
Yeah, 25.
కమాన్, కాదు కదా అట్లా చదివితే. రేపు ఇంటర్వ్యూలో ఇఫ్ సమ్మన్ ఆస్క్ యూ రైట్ ద కోడ్ ఫిల్టర్ మ్యాప్ రెడ్యూస్, ఎట్లా రాస్తావు?
Yeah,
టెల్ మీ.
but వాళ్ళు ఎలా
నో,
అంటే
బట్
సార్
కాదు.
3 months లో
కాదు, నాకు
టోటల్
ఆన్సరే చెప్పు.
కష్టమే. అందుకే కోచింగ్ తీసుకుందామని.
చదవాలి, కోచింగ్ తీసుకోవాలి, రైట్ కోచింగ్ తీసుకోవాలి.
యెస్.
ఓకేనా? సో నో ప్రాబ్లం, కమ్ బ్యాక్. యూ మస్ట్ హ్యావ్ టు కమ్.
యాహ్!
ఓకే, నో ప్రాబ్లం. గుడ్.
థాంక్ యూ.
Anyone else, guys? Sure. 12 years gap, sir. What would you suggest? Pavani, see, 12 years back, we do data analyst in Excel sheet. Correct? When data science came to the market, Python is boom. When Python came, machine learning is boom. Now ChatGPT is boom. Prompt engineering is boom. So market is growing, isn't it, Pavani? So gap, I'll tell you, we have a personal talk how to fill the gap, all those things later. But right now, concentrations on the learning. That's what I schedule a 3 workshops on resume building boot camp. I will share you the link, Pavani. You can watch it. Okay, Pavani? Then you can understand. Okay, Srikanth. Yeah, Srikanth, I must have to unmute you, please. Wait. Offline team, any questions today? Okay. Any questions today? Aim questions on the wait, and then rest of them leave. Talk to Dajay and talk for enrollment process. Do ask questions to me. Don't ask to you. Hey, no, you don't ask to neighbors. They're biggest destroyer. Okay, so please talk to me and leave for today. So meet on Monday. Are you clear? Srikanth, unmute you. Offline team. Online team, any questions today? Rest of them leave. Please, Srikanth, how may I help you, buddy?
Am I audible?
Yes, please.
Yes. Sir, first thing on
Srikanth, lot
Python
of
part of
questions,
it, right?
man. What bothering
So,
you? You experience, right?
yes, I'm experienced.
Which domain?
I'm into project management.
Okay, which part? Which projects you handling? I mean to say not credential, but still. Are you into IT projects or operation side? Which side?
IT projects.
Okay, very good. So Oracle?
No, previously I was in SAP. So
Okay.
next it came, I moved into the general domain. So I'm
Hmm.
handling all the projects. I mean, whatever is coming in my way.
Hmm.
So that's how it has been.
So you never used any tools like Power BI, Tableau, SQL. You not
Power
use
BI,
any tool?
yes. Power BI and SQL, yes, I did because while I was in SAP, we used to do the reporting part of it.
Hmm.
So that one, the SQL, it's the database underlying database is OpenSQL, right, for the
Hmm.
SAP
Hmm.
as
Hmm.
well.
Very good.
So the SQL and Power BI, this part I know,
You good.
but and the
So what
only thing
extra
I
thing you will
have,
need? So you need little techniques like data cleaning in Python and how, see, when you load the data to Power BI, a lot of unclean data is there, right?
right.
Yeah. So how do you clean it? And you can't clean it in Power BI query. So for that, you have to understand little Python. See, being a IT guy, we have to learn for lifetime, isn't it?
Yes.
So,
I agree.
so what is the questions for you then?
No. First thing was on the Python, how advanced would we go? I mean, will this cover the entire the data analytics part of it? And
Entire data
eventually, I
analyst
want to move into
means
data science domain.
no.
So,
See, this is not a data science classes. This is data analyst classes. Okay,
right.
business analytics. So
Okay.
as you have experience in SQL Power BI, so I would suggest you to go to data science part because there you have machine learning. Here, what I'll teach you like statistics, Python, in-depth EDA data cleaning process. How do you connect Tableau to Power BI to the Python data cleaning, and then move to the any BI tools. So what is business? What is attributes? How to split the data to dependent, independent. Before you build model predictions, what task we're gonna do? That's what we're gonna teach here for DA field.
Okay.
Got me? So if you have experience, I would my any new session starts in upcoming for data science, you can enroll there because your experience, to be my honest opinion, I'm giving to you.
Alright.
Clear, Srikanth?
But yes, I just wanted to have a strong foundation before I move into data science because it's been a while that I did that SQL coding part as well.
Then you
So,
have to learn Python. So see,
right.
there's a every in our life, we need to keep adding the learning stack. You have experience in SQL and Power BI, leave it. Now add Python over there. Now add EDA there. Now statistic there. Once you combine it, then go to the cloud, migrations to the cloud, then your migrations to the Databricks, then migrations to the Gen AI, generative AI, prompt engineer. So lifetime is learning.
Sure. And one question, sir. So now when you're teaching this Python here, right? So
Hmm.
will it even completely, cover the entire spectrum of data
No,
engineering
in
related
data,
Python as
see,
well?
come on, I already told you. In data analyst, oops concepts not required.
Okay.
Abstractions, polymorphism, okay, how to create class method, static method, instant method, getter, setter. Those things not required. We
Okay.
required functions, lambda functions, okay, functions, arguments, what is inbuilt functions, how to pass a list to the function, recursion. Those things required here.
Okay.
Clear?
Got it. Got
Okay, thank you. If any questions, you can ping in LinkedIn, so I will guide you. Okay, Shivani, offline team, any question? Just stay, guys. Rest of them, you can leave. If you want to listen some of the student, just you can stay because might be you have some of the query. Yeah. Shivani, please go ahead. How may I help you? Unmute you. Sir, I have Ritu. Wait. No, you're not speaking with me. Ritu, wait. Unmute you, Ritu. Sir, if you want to become a project manager, for a project manager required experience, freshers never be project manager, is it? Do you think freshers become a project manager? No. For a project manager, do you have some experience? Ritu, unmute you. Viju, I hope understand. Experience of 4 years. No. If you go to the Google and check, project manager minimum required 7 to 8 year experience. Yes, if you are marketing, then you are a project manager in 4 years. Pharma marketing agents. Ritu, unmute you. Please, you can unmute and speak. Amit, wait, buddy. Yeah, please unmute you.
Hello.
Yeah, please.
Also, I have a question related to laptop as I have old laptop and I also tried to use that Power BI but it was very slow. That's why.
What is the system RAM?
It is 4 GB.
उसको 8 GB करो ना तो फिर.
Okay, and
8 GB and SSD.
SSD, external SSD?
हाँ. Whatever SSD you have, you remove that and you can migrate to 512 GB. But check, does your laptop supports? Which year you purchased that?
No, actually it is a second-hand laptop.
Okay.
i5.
So where you bought, go there and tell him, भैया जो लैपटॉप तो बेच दी मेरे को, काम नहीं कर रहा है, मेरा पैसा दे दो. Will you say that? ना तो फिर
No.
No, उसको just change it. Change these things. Okay? Amit,
Okay.
no problem.
Okay.
And update me on Monday. ठीक है? Yeah. Prashant, unmute you. Yep. 1 second. Yeah. Prashant, can I speak? Can we speak? No. Wait. Offline team, any question? और else you scold me, sir, आपने ऑनलाइन कोई आंसर दे रहे हो, हम बैठे हैं यहीं पे नहीं दे रहे हो, या प्लीज प्रशांत गो हेड. Shivani, unmute you, dear. You're not speaking. Prashant, unmute you. Please go ahead.
यस सर आज मेरे को डेटा एनालिस्ट का कोर्स ही करना था बट एक क्वेश्चन था लाइक मेरे को थोड़ा सा एक्सपीरियंस है 2 साल का
Which domain?
एज एन एनालिस्ट मैंने वर्क किया है मतलब डोमेन वो सेल्सफोर्स ए था
Okay.
सेल्सफोर्स टूल
Then
बोल
why you
सकते
want to quit? Don't quit. Continue and learn.
नो सर बट आफ्टर दैट मैंने रिलायंस जियो में काम किया एज अ डेवऑप्स इंजीनियर
Fantastic.
वहाँ से लीव किया 5 महीने में ही, फिर अभी एज
Mm.
अ रिसर्च एनालिस्ट वर्क कर रहा हूँ
Where are you working now?
इन मैनलिटिक्स पुणे.
Okay. So which tools are you using over there?
No sir, it is not that much technical job, but मतलब पूरा technical नहीं है.
Okay.
Is lead generation and all.
Okay.
ऐसा.
Do one thing. Once you enrolled, share me your profile. I will review and then I'll call you back.
Hello, Prakash.
Okay. Yeah,
Okay.
please. 1 second, Shivani.
Okay.
Okay. What's your name? I think Prashant, are you done?
No, Prashant Chaudhary sir.
Yeah, Prashant, I'm talking to you because you have few experience into other companies. I want to check that, and after that, I'll tell you what to do, and I'll give you a few projects, and you work on that based on it.
Okay sir.
Hmm?
Sure sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Shivani, go ahead.
Prakash, if in
Yep.
any case, if we are absent for the online class, how we get that
Mhm.
notes?
That's what I'm saying. See, many of my online, I'll post the notes in Google Classroom. You
Okay.
can go ahead and download.
Okay. Should we pay extra for it?
No, see, once you paid, rest of the why you paid.
No. You in the beginning you discussed about the 15,000 for recording and 20,000.
Exactly. So the course is it's a paid course. It's not a free course.
Okay.
Do
For
you
the
think it's a
recording?
free course?
No. For the recording,
No.
it's a 20,000.
Exactly. With the recording, it's 20. See, with the recording means, let's say you're sick, you have some exams, and you go somewhere for travel for
Mm-hmm.
some medical emergency. You miss those classes or not?
Yes.
When you have recording, you will cover the missing classes. If you
Okay.
don't enroll for recording, so those things you will not continue that.
Okay. And one more thing
Okay.
is that these recording files will be stayed for like for many years, or otherwise it will get deleted after
Shivani, men only we not live for lifetime.
no,
I
I'm
mean,
saying
these recordings maybe for, I think it's 6 months to 7 months it will available, Shivani.
okay.
These recordings. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Any more questions? I hope understand all the classes.
Yeah.
Thank you. Keshav, unmute you. Offline team, any question, guys? Or you want to listen? Okay, just wait then. Keshav, unmute you. Please go ahead. Yeah, Keshav, unmute you.
Hello.
Please go ahead. Keshav, batao. What's the query?
Actually, I don't have bachelor's degree right now. I have a 1.6 year of experience as a
Okay.
software developer.
Okay.
After completion of this course, is there any issue created by company while joining related to my degree?
Why, man? What questions you asking? See, in the market, 10-year experience also learning the company. They would be help you. They will like it. No problem creations. But yes, if you work all the projects in your office laptop, then the project will create.
Yeah, no. Actually, my question is like that, sir. I
Mhm.
don't have bachelor's degree. I have a diploma in
So
CS.
if you don't have bachelor degree, then how do you get a job then?
Actually, in by using some reference, first
Chatting
I
batting
got
karke,
my
huh?
first by getting my reference, I got a
Huh.
job.
So for ye experience, then you have experience, right? You
Yes, yes,
keep this experience and apply, no? And by the time you get some certificate, I
yes,
mean, now you can write exam. It's required. Understand, Keshav?
yes, yes,
कभी तो भी चाहिए यार.
yes, yes.
ठीक है, ऐसा जिंदगी कितनी चलाओगे ऐसा ही सेटिंग करके?
नहीं नहीं, वो सर चल रहा है कंटिन्यू बैक्स.
अब मत करो, अब बंद कर दो उसको.
ओके सर.
ठीक है. Okay. Ankita, please go ahead.
Yes, sir. So, I have total 4+ years of experience in software testing, and now I want to switch in data analysis.
Are
So,
you quit or you are working?
no. Currently, I'm on bench, and
Why?
project has ended. So, I'm working in
You
a
don't quit.
service
You
desk.
don't. Okay, I got it. Yes, you continue. Then we switch. Then you can get. So how many you have time now? How many months?
Like 3-4 months, I still have. And if in between I get another project, then I'll continue with that. But my issue is on my offer letter or all document, IT documents, it is the senior test engineer, right?
Okay,
So,
no problem. No problem. So what you do, there's a two-way. First thing is, lucky if you get a project, you stay in the company, same company, right? This is the first options. Second option is, if they fired you, you're learning this course simultaneously. So in senior test engineer, you can explain that from last 2 years, I'm working as a senior test engineer. And after that, I got a POC for banking domain. And I started working in Python with integrations with Power BI and migrate to data analytics. You can say that. I know you heard about POC, proof of concept. It's a R&D projects. You can switch like that way.
Okay.
Got me?
Yeah.
Yep. Thanks. Thank you, guys. I will stop here now and we'll connect on Monday. And bring your laptop and we'll start our journey from Monday itself. Okay. Thanks. Okay. Thanks. Quality will be so. No, it's not. Better talk to the admin about that. Okay, A? Yeah. No, better talk that. Gurudeep, okay, Viju, one moment. Guys, off one moment. Viju, unmute you. Yes, unmute you, Viju, and please go ahead. Search. Singh. Unmute you. Gurudeep Singh. Divya Prakash Singh, please unmute you. Go ahead. So I have questions, please unmute. Chandan. Yeah, you can type a question, Chandan. Chandan, unmute you. Please go ahead, quick. Sir, I want to connect with online admin. Yes, please connect Mr. A. Yep. Chandan, please go ahead. To whom I'm speaking now?
Yeah, Divya Prakash.
Hi. To whom I'm speaking?
Yeah, Divya Prakash Singh.
Divya Prakash, please go ahead.
Yeah, just I have a doubt that I have 8 years of experience in HR domain that is completely non-technical. So in my company, I'm seeing they are hiring also HR technical people who have the experience with the like Python, Tableau, Power BI and all. So how I can utilize this experience along with the course for my future career growth?
Very simple. See, whatever technical concepts you're learning, just update the technical everyday learning on your resume and you see the result. See, I'll tell you, in a few years back, how the business analyst work. If you know Excel knowledge, if you know PowerPoint slides, he can be a business analyst. But now the situation changed. I
Yes,
hope you can
I am seeing
sense
that
that.
post-pandemic, this situation got changed.
Exactly.
People hiring these.
Now, see, I'll tell you, after you, let's say, some case, if someone jobs loss, if you go any company, they will check this skill set.
Yeah.
And you are ready to. In HR, you will do a automations all the process. You can do visualize. As you have experience, trust me, you have a good scope for switch it. You have good exposure on non-technical management operations, handling skills, talking skill to the leaders, clients, and high-rate processing, all those things you know. But you don't know is technical. You have experience, you have knowledge, but one thing is left is little technical skill. So that's why you have to enroll this.
Okay, and my laptop is i3 with Windows 11. That will be fine.
Try that. Yeah, it will work. i3 will be work. No problem. See, right now you work with Excel sheets, right? But after that, you can deal with Python. Maza aa jayega, I'm telling you.
Sure, sir. Thank you so much for your assistance.
Thank you so much. Yep, Gurdeep Singh, unmute you. Unmute you. Please go ahead.
Am I audible, sir?
Yep, please.
Questions that I have.
No, your voice is too low. Chandan, unmute you, please.
Give me 1 second.
Hello.
Yep, please.
Yeah, sir.
Go
Sir,
ahead.
actually, I have around 6 years of experience in IT as a technical analyst. I'm working now, and I have also simultaneously done the MBA in operations and system analyst. Okay. So, sir,
See,
so can I
Chandan,
switch?
they won't teach all those things.
No, no, this thing they will not teach. Yeah, yeah. So,
Exactly.
sir,
They won't
so
teach coding, all those. Yeah, please
my
go ahead,
question,
Apsara. Mm.
my question is, sir, if means after this course, if I apply for that this business analyst and means analyst post, so it will be helpful. Means how can I yeah means show this because I am working as a technical tech guy.
No, you mentioned technical. See, your designation is same, and you say, let's say, in company they mention software engineer. They do SQL database or not? They do Java or
Yes,
not?
yes, yes, yes.
Designation does not matter at all. Skill is matter. You can say my designation was technical, but I work with Python projects with integrations of BI or Tableau.
Okay.
You can explain that. And in the resume, you don't mention the technical. In the resume, just mention data analyst. But in verification, when you write the what we say like filled form, I hope once you get job, new job, they'll have some background form check or not. There you
Yes,
mention
yes, yes.
genuinity, technical. There you ask, you can explain. I don't want you to fake anything over here. Clear?
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
Chandan, you
okay.
got me, right?
Yes, 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 sir.
Got
That
it.
is a little bit doubt.
No, no, no worries, no worries. Thanks.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Gurdeep Singh, please, I can't hear you. Little louder.
Sir, I
Yeah.
was saying that I have a question. Like,
Mm-hmm.
I've been doing self-studies for the past 4 or 5 months,
Mm-hmm.
and I have done like Excel is done, Python is 80% done, SQL is done. So,
Python, which concepts you
uh,
done and how did you learn?
through YouTube only.
Okay. Who is this YouTube slides?
I use multiple things like
आपको
there
see
is
नहीं होगा. I'll tell you. You wish.
uh,
If you can learn this, then why don't you apply job?
that's why
Good.
I'm coming to you.
You don't find this in
There are
YouTube?
few there are few things missing. Like I'm not able to connect the dots. That's why I'm coming
Exactly.
to
So
you.
that's why you have to come back. So I am
Yeah.
here to make you connections is required. So their connections you don't find. So after you listen
Yeah.
my
So
classes, after you listen yesterday's YouTube, do you feel something different from others? Answer me.
yeah, it's better than others. Like when I'm
Exactly.
studying through YouTube,
Ah,
somebody is teaching something, other one is starting teaching something else.
yeah.
So there are
So
like two help I need from you. Like few
exactly. So
concepts I
now
already know.
exactly. So now after you listening me, many people come back to me because experiences really matters. So whatever you study in 4 months, I can teach you in one day. And I will teach you connections. After the class, you can recognize, okay, wo banda wo bola tha. Then you can connect. Understand, Gurdeep
So
Singh?
yeah, sir. Yes, sir. One more thing, like, will there be any? Can I attend
Why
two
don't you
classes
attend offline, please?
simultaneously?
Why don't you attend offline?
As of now, sir, I'm working in
Okay.
Indore,
Okay, okay, no
Central
problem.
India.
ठीक है. All right, no problem. We can
Okay.
connect. Anuya, unmute
Okay.
you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hi, Prakash.
Please go ahead.
I'm now working as an Oracle consultant.
Okay.
So I would like now to switch to this data analyst path. So should this be a correct path for me?
You know why you want to switch. You continue. See, in Oracle, you good at SQL. Now Python, you'd be good at Python. You could be stats. You not switch now immediately, but once you learn these skills, you expose it to machine learning. You expose it to AI. You expose it to LLM models. You expose it to prompt. This is advanced in the market or
Mhm.
not? So
Yeah.
when you learn this course, it is integrations to the future.
Okay.
Understand what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, I got it. So right now I do not have that much of technical knowledge
That's
as
what
I'm
we'll
working
teach
as
you.
a functional
Did you watch
consultant.
yesterday? Did you watch yesterday YouTube video, the one which I shared?
Yes, I did.
Do you enjoy that? You done it, installed?
Yes. No, I
Very good.
haven't installed it.
Try that.
I think I just reviewed the day one recording, but
You review
I'm
and then you can try and update on Monday. Okay?
okay, sounds good.
Sure, sure. Thanks. Okay, guys, that's it for today, and I can leave. See you and have a good day. Viju will speak on Monday. I have some other things. All right? I think I spoke with you. Yep. Thanks, guys.
Hello.
Yeah, please. Who's this?
Yeah,
Viju.
so I have a query like I am 5 years experience, so I think this Tableau, Power BI, Excel, these three tools will help me.
I'm sorry. Can you repeat again? I can't hear you.
Yes, there are three main tools that are there, right? Power BI, Tableau, and Excel. This would help as a project manager, right? They use on daily
Yes, yes,
basis.
yes. See, project manager nowadays, based on projects, it will change. In the projects, they don't want Power BI. So what you do, right? So it depends on based on the projects and based on the company. But I'm sure Power BI Tableau is 90% covered by the organization's people.
Okay.
Okay,
So
Viju?
one more query. And suppose like more than 10 years, there would be scope of these all things, right? Data analyst,
No,
business
data
analyst.
analyst, forget about more than 10 years. Once you get 10 years in data analyst, you expert, you get bored. You migrate to machine learning now. Why you want to stick into the same domain? You go to AI then. You go to Gen AI then. Clear?
Okay.
See,
Yeah,
IT
I
is
got
all
it.
about improvement.
Correct.
I'm learning prompt engineering skills now as my client has some task. Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Bhavani, quick, and it's time up. I'm trying to explain everyone. Unmute you, Bhavani. Please go ahead. So yes, civil background. See, Pradanya. So civil people also you work in Excel. Now you integrate with Python. You do a visualizations. Everybody will help. Bhavani, unmute you quick, and then I'll hang off for day and see you on Monday. Please go ahead.
Sir, I am degree BSc Computer Science background, sir.
Very good.
If I learn this course, I will get equal job opportunities.
Absolutely, yes. You are in a good track where you connect with me. Okay, why don't you attend offline?
I'm married, sir.
Okay, no problem. So attend if you're in Hyderabad, you can attend. If not, then you continue with online. All right.
Okay, sir.
Thanks, team. Bye.